Hello, everybody. Yes, it's my birthday today, and I made a resolution, like everybody else, to eat healthy. So, I made this gorgeous banana sweetened with maple syrup gluten free cake. I had some ripe bananas, I mashed them all up. Added some lovely maple syrup I got from Canada. It's available in Amazon as well. You can swap this for honey if you like. So this cake has no fat. I'm adding peanut butter, some eggs. For the complete recipe, do check the description box below. You can replace the eggs with some flax eggs or some Greek yogurt. I'm adding some beautiful fab vanilla essence, mixing it all together. And since this cake is gluten free, yes, it's got no flour, no wheat, so I'm using some almond flour, baking powder, baking soda, some lovely cinnamon powder, and a little bit of xanthum gum, mixing it all together into a nice gorgeous batter. I'm adding some beautiful couverture chocolate chips from Jindal Cocoa. Do try it out if you haven't. Just look at that gorgeous batter. I hope your oven is preheated by now to 180 degrees Celsius. Putting it into a 9 by 5 inch pan, and I baked it. Yes, before I baked it, I topped it up with some flax seeds and pumpkin seeds for added crunch and extra health. And yes, don't forget to top it with some more chocolate chips, because why not? It's my birthday. Bake it in the oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 40 to 45 minutes. And look at that gorgeous cake. Let's cut it in to see the amazing texture. It's perfectly sweet because my bananas were nice and ripe, so make sure to use lovely ripe bananas, and the maple syrup adds an amazing flavor. So here you go, gluten free, no fat, and no added white sugar free banana cake. Happy birthday to me.